Can abortion cause infertility, or how to know a woman has done abortion before? So I keep on getting a lot of these questions from both men and women. So we are going to talk about it today. Hi, this is one of your favorite nights, Annie. Do not forget to like, to comment, share your thoughts, and then you share for other people to learn. Do not keep the knowledge to yourself. That means you're being selfish. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that when I drop any video, you're gonna see it. Today is the day that we are going to let the cat out of the cage. So can abortion really cause infertility in women? Can you really know a woman who has done abortion before? So all these things we are going to talk in this video. So do not forget to watch this video to the end, because there are some important things that I'm going to talk in this video and it might be in the end. So do not forget to watch it to the end, and when you watch to the end, you share for others to learn, because it's very important. This topic is very important and it's important for you to know. You need to know this to teach someone beside you. It can be your wife, it can be your sister, it can be your junior one, it can be your children. So you need to know this video and you need to save it for future purposes. So let's start with the physical. Can you actually know somebody who has done abortion before? Like just looking at the person, everything about the person, then you just conclude that the person has done abortion? The answer is no. There is no reliable source. There is no magic you can do to know if a lady has ever done abortion before. Just by observing some changes on her body, there is no change in the vagina, there is no change on the breast, there is no change on her physical, on her facial looks, there is no, like, even the way she does her things, there is no way you can be able to know that a woman has done abortion through those signs. Even the way some people say, the way she does her things, the way she talks, the way the size of the vagina, the size of the breast, there is nothing, the size of the stomach, there is nothing that can be proven that a woman has done abortion just by looking at those things. In as much as there is nothing that can show a woman has done abortion before, there are a lot of things that abortion can leave behind, especially if it wasn't done properly, like under the supervision of a medical personnel. There are a lot of dangers, there are a lot of things that can happen if you do abortion not properly. So most of these dangers always come from unsafe abortion, like the ones that have been done in dirty places, the ones that have been done forcefully and without the supervision of a medical personnel. So we are going to mention those things. You begin to discover that you keep on having recurrent lower abdominal pains, the ones that keep on returning always, not only during your period, but it keeps on returning. You keep on having strong abdominal pain, lower abdominal pain at the pelvic area. So that's another one. The other one, this one, you begin to experience abnormal period and abnormal bleeding, like bleeding between periods. And then you begin to experience longer, it's either you're experiencing longer period flow or shorter than before. And then another one is you begin to feel cramps, like the cramps will be so intense that you won't be able to bear it. The cramps will be intense than before. You that you were not having cramps before, at that moment you begin to experience strong cramps during period. And another one too that dirty abortion can really leave behind is repeated infection. Like you keep on treating infection every time you're having infection. Today you're taking medication for infection, tomorrow you're not having, after tomorrow you're having infection. So, and it comes with the vaginal smells. So you keep on having experiencing all that, treating infection upon infections. And because of these infections here and then, you might be experiencing pains during sex. These pains during sex might be as a result of internal damage or infection. So when you keep on experiencing this, you need to look for a strong medical personnel. You don't need to just go beside the road to buy drugs from the road. So you need to consult yourself to a doctor. And the last but not the least, this dirty abortion can also cause things like scars inside your womb. This is called Ashman syndrome. It's so dangerous. It's a serious and silent situation. It can even make your period not to come anymore. Yeah, or you might just be having light period. And again, it's a situation between life and death, because you're gonna have repeated miscarriages. You might keep on having miscarriages, and then you'll be struggling to get pregnant. You keep on struggling to get pregnant. In this situation, it's only God that can intervene to give you a child. So in this case, for those who are asking me whether abortion can cause infertility, in this case I might say yes, because in this situation, for you to get pregnant, you will be by the grace of God. Yeah, you will be struggling to get pregnant. You might be pregnant but still having miscarriages, so the chances for you to get pregnant will be very low, very very low. So in that case, abortion can really cause infertility issues, especially this dirty abortion, unsafe abortion. So it can really cause infertility issues. To conclude on this, not all abortion will cause infertility issue. There are some people that they might still do their abortion and they are living their life free. But the question is, when it will be your turn, how will it be like? So the only solution to this is just to avoid abortion. Abortion is not good. Abortion is killing. You're killing one's life. So abstain from abortion. That's the only solution, because your turn might be worse than other people on. So when before you want to go for abortion, you need to think about that. You need to think about the consequences, the side effects, about what I've just mentioned here. Please do not forget to share this video. A lot of people need to learn from this. Do not keep this knowledge to yourself. Do not be selfish with this knowledge. And then do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to leave your own thoughts in the comment section, and then share for other people to learn. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I love you all.